Hi guys, it's Sarah here and I'm so excited to share with you my collaboration with DB Cosmetics of my new lip range. So I've been using DB Cosmetics for years and years, and I actually chose to do a collaboration with these guys because they're vegan, they're cruelty-free, and they're so affordable for anybody to use. In this collection that I've created with DB Cosmetics, I've got some amazing shades that you're all gonna love. There's moisturising lipsticks, there's longwear matte lip colours, and there's also lip liners which are interchangeable with all the colours in the whole collection, and you can even wear them all by themselves. So you may not want to be bright and bold, but you want to wear an everyday colour that just looks fantastic at the office, or picking up the kids from school, or going out on a fancy night on the town. So I've created them as well. Here they are. These are my staples that I wear every single day. So I've picked these colours in particular because they're super wearable, they're iconic, and they're just for you, and they suit any skin tone and colour. And for something extra special, I've created the most amazing product. It is the Rosa Gold Plumping Lip Gloss with Rose Gold Reflex, which makes your lips look even juicier, gives you that gorgeous wet shine look, and you will adore this. And because I love you guys just so much, this little beauty is going to come home with you for free when you buy any 3 DB products.